All right, Matt Smith here at Colton RV and Marine. Just wanted to showcase here a reflection, go through it, maybe give you some pointers on some features that Grand Design does that other people don't, and then see if you like this. This is a 2023 Grand Design Reflection 337 RLS, and this is going to be a nice rear living with a nice master bathroom in the front of it. When you look at this, Grand Design has, it's a fully fiberglass siding with aluminum framing. So nice strong structure on this one. Grand Design makes a few different products when it comes to the mid profile, and they also carry a half-ton series too, so 150 series on them. So one thing on the mid profile is you're going to get a big underbelly storage here. So you got a nice high profile to this storage. It is heated. This is an insulated door on both sides. And you're going to have a heated underbelly, which keeps your floors warm, keeps your tanks warm, and all your pipes warm there. And it's also, when we walk around the other side, you're going to actually see it's heated pull valves for your dump tanks too. You got a nice big awning on this one with LED lights above, outdoor speakers with the blue LEDs on it. And because this has got a opposing slide on this side, you're going to see that there's another awning on this side over here too on the slide. So you're going to have full coverage of the whole side of your camper, which is going to be nice. The slides are laminate just like the walls, and so you're going to have nice heated laminate walls here, nice and strong. They're going to keep your camper nice and warm, so you're not going to get drafts in there. You got your MoRide steps here, which is really nice. These fold right up. You fold them over, and they just pick right up and tuck right inside the door. So it's not going to get the elements as you're driving down the road, so your steps won't going to be all snowy or wet like this time of the year or even in the summer. So it's going to be non-skid strips on these too. Before we go inside, let's walk around the other side, and I'm going to show you the wet bay over here. As we walk past here, you're going to see you got your battery compartment here too, and there is a motion light here. So you can actually turn that on and get all the light under here, so you can store things like hoses or whatever else you don't want to have in your actual cargo bay. We'll go around here, finish coming over this way. What I wanted to touch base on this one is you got this wet bay. It's going to be for everything. You're going to be able to winterize here, dry camp, city water connections. Everything's going to be here. The little diagrams here. Grand Design used to have 4, but they simplified it now and went to 3 valves now. So easier to read, less confusion. Some people were having some confusion when it came to that. You can turn your water pump on here if you want to. You got your satellite cable, auxiliary hookups. You even have an outside shower, so you just hook that right into there. You got a hose on the end of this, so you got hot and cold water. You got your sanitation, or this is your city water connection, and the black is your sanitation flush. That sanitation flush is for your black tank, so you can actually rinse your black tank, your toilet tank, so that way it's going to be nice and clean the next time you use it. Get a little LED light here. It's really nice under the cap, so you can see at nighttime. When you pan back, you'll be able to see that. Auto levels in here too. And it also comes with the tire pressure monitors, so nice standard feature. So that way, if you ever get a low tire, you're going to be able to notify. It's going to notify you while you're in your vehicle before you actually get a blowout on it. Auto level system, really easy. Come over here, push the button, hit auto level. And when you're done, you're going to go down the menu, retract all, or not retract all. You're going to go back to retract hitch height. So you go to auto hitch height. It's going to remember where you left off when you took it off the truck. So really easy. You push that button, it goes back up. Once you get it clicked on the truck, then you're just going to go hit retract all, and it's going to retract the rest of the jacks up. So tear down and setup is actually real easy on these fifth wheels. You got your hot water tankless hot water tank, which is nice. This is a Furrion. Your endless hot water. You're just going to turn on your hot water, and you're going to get that flow as long as you want. So if you're at a KOA or a campground that has septic system that your hose is going to be hooked up to all the time, you can leave your gray tank open and take a long shower if you want to, and you're not going to run out of hot water. We're going to go back around, talk about some nice features inside. All right, so now we're in the reflection. This is, again, the 337 RLS, so this is going to be a rear living. What you're going to get is you're going to get a trifold sofa bed here and lots of storage above. This is actually all real wood, which is really nice. It's going to hold up for a long term, hold the value a lot better because you're not going to get the flaking of the wood and everything. You got your pull down blackout shades, which is really nice. There's soft close on this one. Big window in the back that slides open, and then you got your 2 windows on each side, so you can get good cross breeze in here too. End tables with little storages there, and you got plug on this side and on that side. So if you want to bring a laptop, Game Boy, or whatever, you could sit back here with that on. Then you get into your theater seats. Theater seats. These are heated, massage. They recline almost fully. So I've actually had people sleep on my theater seats because they're so comfortable. And then there is even enough room because the way they make these slides nice and tall. There's a little bit about over 6 foot tall slide here. You can actually still put cabinets up here and still get big windows. Over here is a fireplace. So you got your electric fireplace. This will kick out a lot of heat. And then you got a drawer right above it. This, so you could change colors and everything else. We just got it illuminated for decoration. We're not actually running the heat on this one. You got your Roku TV, which is a smart TV. So because it's smart TV, we do have Wi-Fi capability in here. We have the WineGuard 360 up on the roof. So you can actually add a router to it and then stream movies, Netflix, whatever you want, music, anything on the TV. You got your radio right above. So this is a DVD player, CD player, Bluetooth, so you can pair your phone up to this. And again, remember we had speakers outside. Well, we got speakers inside right on the ceiling. So you can actually watch a movie and listen to it, almost theater sound to it, which is really nice. And then more cabinet space. You could actually put another Blu-ray player, or if you want to put a satellite on, you can run the satellite wires in here for that too. So again, all nice cabinetry, real wood. You got your pantry over here, which is nice. You got all these shelves here. Motion light, if you notice how it turned on when I opened the door. Sometimes when you walk by, it'll turn on too. You got your 3-burner cooktop and a really nice oven. So not those little tiny little ovens that you can't even put a half sheet in. This you could put a full cookie sheet in there and actually cook out of this one. Microwave above, real deep microwave, one of the best in the industries when you're looking at fifth wheels. And then more cabinet space. We got the microwave unplugged right now, which is nice. And then you got counter space here with a plug, so you can put your coffee maker, Keurig, or toaster, whatever you feel like putting over there. And then check out the island. So this island is a Corian material, so nice solid surface island. Stainless steel sink. Drawers on this side, and again, the drawers, all real wood, all the way around. So they're solid drawers, and they come all the way out, so there's no trying to reach underneath to get to the back of the drawer. And then you got storage underneath here, so you can put your trash cans, pots and pans, whatever you feel like putting underneath there. More drawers over here. I mean, you've got storage. You could bring a lot of stuff in here. So this is the nicest feature I like in the campers now, because they're going away from propane fridges and now getting into 12 volts. So because it's 12 volts, we got a solar panel on the roof, and that's going to keep your battery charged. Not only that, while you're driving down the road, your battery is being charged by your truck. So you've got this 12 volt fridge. It gets colder faster, so you don't have to wait 12 to 24 hours when you turn your propane fridge on. So it gets colder faster, and it stays colder even in like a 90 to 100 degree day outside. It's not going to struggle because it's inside. It's not vented outside like a propane fridge is, getting beat down by the sun. Remember I showed you outside? We got the tire link. So this is tire pressure monitor. So they send you the kit. You just got to put the valve stems on them and then program into your phone app. Or there's a receiver in here that you can put in the truck, and it's just an audible sound. If your tires get low or the bearings get hot, it can detect temperature and pressure. And so nice stainless steel front, but it's glass covered, so it doesn't dent or bend when you hit on it, like the aluminum front fridges that are thinner gauges on them. More counter space over here. and talk about a little bit about this Compass Connect. So it's one control app that you put on your phone. You can open your slides, you can turn your lights on, move your, roll your awnings out, tire pressure monitor. We even have standard on the campers backup camera. So that all goes to this Compass Connect, and you can do all that just on your phone. On the back rear camera, you can actually buy a receiver to put in your truck. If you don't want to use your phone, you can just buy the receiver and it'll connect to it too. More cabinets, more drawers. I mean, we got you got space for everything in here. So LED lights all throughout, so it's nice and bright in here. And then over here at the dinette, so this is a freestand dinette. This can come out, and you can pull the booth out like that, or the ottoman out, and you could use that as a footrest over at the bed if you want. It's also got storage in there, so you can put blankets, pillows, anything extra that you need in there. And if you wanted to, you just put the chair on each side like I do. Instead of using this for that, you can put that over there, and then it just locks right back in place. You got your freestand dinette table, and these chairs here actually have a little storage underneath there, so placemats, napkins, whatever you want in there. And there's another plug underneath the table, so you can actually plug in laptops and stuff like that if you choose to work at the table and stuff. Move up to the bathroom now. Well, let's stop here. Let's take a look at this control panel. So you got all your slides, your awnings, your lights, your water pump. This even has 12-volt tank heaters in it. So you can actually turn on the 12-volt while you're driving in the winter weather and keep your tanks nice and warm while you're traveling. Anything that's on here is going to be on that phone app that I was just telling you about. So your solar power Furrion panels on the roof will tell you what your charge is. You can monitor that as you go, because if you are boondocking for like a week or so, you want to make sure that it's charging you pretty good. Or you can plug it in your truck or have a generator to charge your batteries back up. Your AC control here is for the main AC. It is a Coleman Mach, so it's a nice quiet AC unit. So this is going to run your AC furnace. And this is your max air vent, which is right above the cooking area. That's a max air vent, so it actually has a rain sensor in it. So it will close if it rains on you. If you leave for the day and you forgot to close it, it'll close itself for you. Bathroom time. Let's go in here and talk about some features in here. One, you got a nice deep linen closet, basically, towels, washcloths, whatever you want to put in there. Your heat vents on the wall, not on the floor, like everywhere else on the camper. More storage above. You got your towel rack here. You got a nice counter space here with the sink, so you can actually put stuff next to it. Your medicine cabinet right above. And nice drawers and area in the bottom. I keep a little waste basket down here, so that's nice and easy. And then if you want to, there's some people who say they put their toilet paper roll there, or they just get a little toilet paper stand and put it on the corner there. The shower here, nice big tall shower, so lots of room with a seat in here. And then you got your wand here, hot and cold water, and then this button here actually turns the water on and off. So if you're not in a place that has septic, you want to take a nice quick shower, lather, rinse up, turn the water off, lather up, and then rinse. And then that way you don't use a lot of water. Your Furrion hot water tankless tent is right here for the controls. So you can set the temperature. So if you don't want it that hot, you could set it for like 100 degrees or up to, I believe, 120 degrees on that. We'll finish off in the bedroom here. So this one, we have a second AC. So that's an option. We usually standard order them for anything this size because we know Western New York, we have high humidity, lots of heat here during the summer. And especially if somebody's going to go to Florida, they want to have something like that, or Texas. Your AC controls are actually right in here. So it has its own thermostat in here, so you can maintain your temperature inside the room. This is a queen size bed. You can option for a king. The king, you would just lose these end tables here, and you would have a full king bed if that's what you'd like. You got your blackout shades in here too. Nice little headboard. Decor features is really nice. And then the nice feature in this one is your closet. So this is almost a walk-in closet. I mean, you got washer and dryer. Washer can go on this side if you choose to put one in, and a dryer can go on this side, and you're still gonna have a lot of space in between. So you got your shoe rack in there and everything else. You got a LED light in there. I'm not sure if that picks it up, but a nice blue LED light. Sometimes I'll leave my closet open and have the blue LED light as the night light. And then nice dresser in here too, with storage above too. So again, all real wood. Nice features of this. You even have storage underneath the bed. So USB ports on this side and plugs, and the plug on that side. So you can have phone chargers on both sides of the bed if you choose. Again, Matt Smith here, Colton RV and Marine. Call us 716-694-0188, and we'd be happy to help you. My extension's 443 if you'd want to reach out to me. And thank you for taking the tour of the grand design that we have here.